Hi fellows, and welcome to How to Fix. Today we'll be tackling a tricky bug that you might have encountered. Let's jump straight into the bug of the day. Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. So here's an explanation on how to fix it. Please feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Now, let's fix the code and see what the result is going to be. And there we go. The code is running smoothly and our output is perfect. The bug is gone. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. If you learned from this video, don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing tutorials. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone.